Environmental issues and biodiversity. Question 1. With reference to geothermal energy, consider the following statements. 1. It is the natural heat from the interior of the earth that can be used to generate electricity. 2. In India, the southern peninsula is considered a geothermal area. 3. Geothermal energy does not pose any environmental problems. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Question 2. With reference to Green AG project, consider the following statements. 1. It aims to promote organic farming. 2. It will be implemented initially in 5 states in the country. 3. It is funded by the Global Environment Facility. 4. It aims to cover 2 protected areas, the Dampa Tiger Reserve and the Thorangatlang Wildlife Sanctuary. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1, 3 and 4 only. B. 1, 2 and 4 only. C. 2 and 3 only. D. 2, 3 and 4 only. Question 3. Consider the following statements regarding ocean acidification. 1. Ocean acidification is the ongoing increase in the pH of the Earth's oceans caused by the uptake of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. 2. For marine ecosystems, ocean acidification presents a twofold challenge of higher acidity and lower availability of carbonate ions. 3. Algae and seagrasses may benefit from higher CO2 conditions in the ocean, as they require CO2 for photosynthesis just like plants on land. Which of the statements given above is correct? A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 3 only. D. 2 only. Question 4. If you visit the famous Kaziranga National Park, which of the following wildlife you may see? 1. One-horned rhino. 2. Bengal tiger. 3. Golden langur. 4. Swamp deer. 5. Feral horse. 6. Wild water buffalo. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. B. 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. C. 1, 2, 4 and 6. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question 5. With reference to the integrated development of wildlife habitats, IDWH, consider the following statements. 1. One of the key components of IDWH is recovery programs for critically endangered species. 2. It supports protected areas such as national parks, wildlife sanctuaries and tiger reserves. 3. Recently, Caracal was brought under the program. Select the incorrect statements using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 1 only. C. 2 only. D. 1 and 3 only. Question 6. Which of the statements correctly explains umbrella species? A. These species have a strong role in structuring a community. B. These species have a disproportionately large effect on its environment relative to its abundance. C. These species protection indirectly protects many other species that make up the ecological community of its habitat. D. None of the above. Question 7. Consider the following plants. 1. Red vanda. 2. Eucalyptus. 3. Lady's slipper orchid. 4. Pitcher plant. 5. Mosquito fern. Which among the above are prohibited to cultivate as per Schedule 6 of WPA, 1972? A. 1, 3 and 4 only. B. 3, 4 and 4 only. C. 4 and 5 only. D. 1, 2 and 5 only. Question 8. With reference to biodiversity, ball python, scarlet macaw, sugar glider, Pitoris breviceps, marmoset A. Listed in Appendix I of CITES. B. Exotic animals. C. Migratory species. D. Amphibians. Question 9. Which of the following statements correctly describe one of the features of a stable community? A. There is a minimal resistance to occasional disturbances, natural or man-made. B. There is very less population growth over years. C. A climax community is not a stable community. D. There is not much variation in productivity from year to year. Question 10. With reference to biodiversity hotspot, consider the following statements. 1. Biodiversity hotspots are a biogeographic region with a significant amount of reservoir of biodiversity which are not yet threatened with destruction. 2. Conservation International sets criteria for determination of a biodiversity hotspot. 3. Among other criterias, only plant population and not animal population is considered in the criteria for determination of a biodiversity hotspot. 4. India shares 4 major biodiversity hotspots. Which of the above statements are correct? A. 1, 2 and 3 only. B. 2, 3 and 4 only. C. 1, 2 and 4 only. D. 1 and 4 only. Question 11. Consider the following statements. 1. Species evenness represents the numerical equality of species. 2. Species richness is measured for multiple species in a community. 3. Low species evenness with high species richness indicated towards a community where a few species dominate. Which of the above statements is correct? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 2 only. D. 1, 2 and 3 only. Question 12. Consider the following statements regarding invasive species and choose the incorrect statement. A. An invasive species can be any kind of living organism that is not native to an ecosystem and causes harm. B. India's National Biodiversity Target 4 is to identify invasive alien species. C. Not all non-native species are invasive. D. Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change issues approvals for the export of wild animals under Biological Diversity Act 2002.